And then I start digging in a little further, and I find out that if you're willing to pay for like what they call the enterprise version, which is roughly, it'll cost you about $200 a month, all of the things that I can't do with the version that I have, I could do at the $200 a month tier.
Oh.
So basically, you have this sort of house. If you can afford the free tier, you're going to get really bad information. You're going to get shut out after 10 prompts and stuff like that. So any investigation might take you 4 or 5 sessions to do. If you bump up to the $20 a month, well, now you can turn on memory in ChatGPT, and Claude now has a memory feature as well. And so it can maintain a little bit more consistency across a few different chat sessions and stuff like that. But as far as like structuring like a complicated project, nope. But if you go up to the enterprise tier, well, now you have all sorts of really cool features. Now you can do like serious intellectual work. Now, you know, when we go back to our late stage capitalism and all that kind of stuff, it's like, oh, okay. So if you're in the top 1%, you have fantastic AI tools that will help you, really help you find stuff. But if you're maybe, you know, somewhere in the middle, well, you're only paying for the pro tier. You'll still get some good help, but not as good as if you were up there. And if you're the working poor,
it's a crapshoot. You don't know what
it's giving you, and you don't know whether you're getting smarter or dumber,
right,
if you're relying on it. And now again, you know, a lot of this stuff is just new, and I'm pulling it together. But that's the picture as I see it today, you know. And I hope I'm wrong. I hope that it's not really that, you know, that if you can afford it, you get a good edge, you know, you get good assistance. But if you can't afford it, you know, now it's, okay, I'm going into this AI for help, but I think it's giving me good information, and I'm running out in the world with the head full of stuff that this free AI gave me, but it's all wrong, or half of it's wrong. And that would just be weird to me. You know, like, why would you even do that? Like, I mean, from a regulatory standpoint, you know, like, don't we want, I mean, a democracy, right? I mean, equality. We want everyone to have access to the same thing. So the level playing field that we talk about all the time.
I mean, well, yeah, like I would say we want it. I mean, I don't.
The powers that be?
They definitely don't want it.
That sure seems that way, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, the powers that be would rather us just have the free version. I'm sorry, I didn't know how to connect.
That's a little bit more cynical than you usually are.
Well, yeah. I mean,
world grinding you down a little bit more.
All, yeah. I mean, it's all, they're all just stories. This AI is so great. It's going to be the future.